If you're looking for a light-duty, full-size pickup with amazing reliability and durability, look no further than the Toyota Tundra. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff Ford, and today we're talking about this 2021 Toyota Tundra SR5 Extra Cab. Let's dive in. Obviously, Toyota has an amazing reputation for reliability, and the Tundra is no exception. This beautiful example has 68,873 miles. It's an SR5 four-wheel drive with the extended cab, not the super cab, but the extended cab. Has a little bit longer bed with the extended cab. So when you're shopping for a Tundra, you have to make a choice. Do I want a 5.5-foot bed and more interior space with the CrewMax four-door version, which gives you more rear seat space? Or am I gonna utilize the bed more often and I want a real 6-foot bed? I think it's 6.1 feet to be exact. In that case, if you get the 6.1 foot, if you get the 6-foot bed, you're gonna have to get the extra cab, which this one is, which does sacrifice a little bit of rear space versus the CrewMax for that extra bed length. So it's always a choice for people, but if you're gonna use your pickup truck for more pickup truck like stuff, like hauling dimensional lumber and things like that, you're gonna probably want the larger bed. If you're just gonna use it for casual pickup truck use and more of a family vehicle, then maybe you will sacrifice some bed length for the CrewMax. This one has a nice cloth interior, great infotainment system, lots of driver's assist. We have a forward collision warning, a lane departure warning. We have a rear parking camera, integrated trailer brake controller. The Tundra is a very capable tow vehicle. I believe the minimum tow rating on the Tundra for 2021 is 8,800 pounds. So that's the minimum, and the maximum when properly equipped is a little over 10,000. I think it's 10,200 to be exact. We have a nice center console right here, and you can flip it up, which turns it into another seat, so you can sit 3 across here, 3 across in the back for a total of 6. This one also features height adjustable headlights, so if you have a lot of weight in the bed, it's pointing your low beams up. Well, guess what? They just turned into high beams and you're blinding oncoming traffic, so you can use that to adjust the angle of the lights if you do have a lot of weight or a lot of tongue weight hauling a trailer. We have a set of factory side steps on this one, great color combination. Love the front end styling. It's kind of like that Tonka truck inspired styling. Brings out in the kid of you. When you're a kid, if you like to play with toy trucks, Tonka trucks and stuff like that, the Tundra kind of pulls at your heartstrings. Has this cool LED strip below the headlights. The 5.7 liter iForce engine is a fantastic engine and very reliable. I've seen variations of these engines with well over 200,000 miles running strong. It pumps out 380 horsepower, making this thing very quick, also very capable for towing and hauling. So you can see the larger bed right here, the 6-foot bed, and then we still have 4 doors. And even though we do have to give up some interior space for that larger bed, it's not bad at all. There's plenty of adjustability in those front seats, plenty of space. I'm 6'2". I'm still comfortable back here. My knees aren't hitting the back of the front seat. It's not like the limo-like legroom you have in the CrewMax, but not bad. And I have tons of headroom. This one also features a nice hard tonneau cover, keeping stuff dry and out of prying eyes. And of course, the tailgate's lockable, keeping stuff safe, and the tonneau cover is lockable as well. The car magazines, you know, when I was brushing up on my product knowledge on the 21 Tundra, the car magazines always give wonderful accolades to products like the Ram, which gets high scores for amazing interior fit and finish, amazing creature features and things like that. But I can tell you from a reliability standpoint, when we sell used trucks, we take used trucks in trade. A lot of trucks with over 100,000 miles are starting to have problems, leak oil, just too expensive to put through the shop. So we often send them to the auction. But there's a very high ratio of us taking Tundras in on trade or buying Tundras with over 100,000 miles, and they're still running fantastic. They pass through the shop with flying colors, and we're more than confident selling them on our lot. That's the difference you get with Toyota. They just have that magic formula for building very reliable, durable things that still go strong well past 100,000 miles, sometimes past 200,000 miles. And that's why in the pre-owned market, they're worth all that much more. Well, there we go. Here's a nice example of a four-wheel drive 2021 Tundra SR5 Extra Cab with a 6-foot bed. Thanks for watching and have a great day.